Hey guys, Will Beach here with a quick update. So obviously the markets had a big run down a couple days ago, and today was just straight consolidation. Wanted to do something a little bit different for you guys today. We have the TopStep 50K Futures Challenge. So this is the 50K one, and basically you have to profit 3K two times, so two phases before you can get a funded account. Now, if you want to know about TopStep, it is basically a one-to-one ratio. So there's not really leverage. Basically, is what I'm getting at. So it says 50K, but because you only get $1,000 worth of, well, you get $2,000 worth of drawdown, but only 1,000 in a single day, or 999 for that matter, before they will cancel your account. So in theory, you have a $50,000 account, but really you're playing with only $1,000 of drawdown, $2,000 if you're super careful. And a lot of people don't like this challenge, and they have a lot of rules, and it's really hard. I will say this: they're in it to make money off challenges, yes. However, if you are a solid, consistent trader and you don't want to fund your own account, then there's nothing wrong with this. You will still pay $130 on the like broker fees every month, but other than that, it's all you, and it's an 80-20 split. So that means you get 80% of the profit, they get 20%. So we're just doing this one right now. 50K challenge. Is super flat all day today. This is a 1 minute chart, and you could just see, a couple zigzags here and there, but I basically didn't get in any of it. I sat out. I think the account was down 250 though on the day, just because the chop was just too much. So I was playing really conservative. So the strategy I'm using on this one is simply an ADX. I have a 150 moving average on the exponential here, and then I just have the ADX with the DI plus and DI minus. So it basically tells you, like, when this indicator is above, that you're basically in a short trend. If the green one was above, you're in a long trend. However, or I should say long favorable. But it's not until your white ADX line increases above 25 that you really start gaining momentum into the side that it's favoring. However, in consolidation, what happens is by the time you get that, it reverses. So you can see that example right here. Right here, it hits over 25 and then immediately reverses. And you'll see that over and over and over. It hits over 25 and you get this. These ones ran up. That was one run today. I actually only caught the tail end of it. Wasn't paying attention to that. And then a couple others. But basically, in this setup, you have to actually wait for not only for it to meet above 25 to show you that it wants to go, but then it needs to confirm it by continuing to go low. So what you end up doing is you end up setting your order at the new low mark, and if it never goes down there, it probably reverses and goes long. And since it was just a limit sell order, a limit buy order, no harm, no foul. You'll never get in your position, and it'll just run the opposite way. You can cancel it and then wait for a new setup. So as long as you don't jump the gun, you should be pretty profitable with only a minimal minimum downside to it, right? And then basically you get to a point where you drag your stop so that you will be at most break even. And obviously that's not ideal, but when you have price targets set, you obviously want to hit your price target rather than I don't know, if you do a trailing stop, like right now, if I had a trailing stop, I probably would have gotten stopped out right here, and that would have been 170 in the green, which is not bad. But considering my stop is a 150 stop, 15 points, I really just want to make sure that my ratios stay more favorable than not. So anyways, I just want to do this quick update. So the markets were flat. We can see more downside. We can see more consolidation. It's a tough gig. I think we have to retest this low, which is why I'm holding this, because we had this big low right down here. And I think it's going to want to retest this area before it knows whether it's going to go long or continue short, right? Because if we go to scale out, you'll see basically it was just one big box of consolidation. We have this rounded off falling right now, and it looks like we are increasing back to the downside. So a retest of this, and then we will see if we continue down short or not. But if you're interested in TopStep, I actually will have affiliate links for them that will give you 25% off. And again, if you are the ones, if you choose to do this, you know, I have no problem showing you guys what I do and how I do it to pass them. You can. A lot of people try and max out. They over leverage your account in the challenge to really purposely, in my opinion, make you get overconfident and just it'll tap your account out so fast in the blink of an eye. So you have to make sure you're not over leveraging your account, because in theory, I have $1,000 worth of drawdown here, right? But I have the ability to buy 5 mini lots. 5 mini lots. That'll take your account out in a 10-point move on the NASDAQ. So it just doesn't make sense. So anyways, so you really don't want to, I'm going to drag this stop down now to like make sure I don't lose out on anything here above this. Now I'm gonna just put it like kind of above that range so that has a little wiggle room, but if it comes back above that, then it probably is done. So we'll just take the short. If not, or we'll just take that profit, and if it keeps going, then obviously we'll go for our target. So anyways, that's basically the rundown. If you had any questions, leave in the comments, and happy to help. And we'll keep an eye on this. So we're going for basically for the number. You can't see it. The number, because it's hiding my account, is we're going for 53,000. It's a 50,000 start. Then the next phase will be 50. It resets, so you do 50 to 53,000 again, and then you pay your $130, and then you have a funded account. Then you have very minimal like commissions, but you have to pay your $130 monthly, and that's that. So this move is starting to show some weakness here. So we'll see if it keeps rolling or not, but keep an eye on that, and keep you guys in the loop. Hope you guys are trading safe, especially with that consolidation, and there's going to be big moves happen after consolidation, so we're going to see what happens next. Take care, guys, and I will follow up with you guys on the next one.